Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhayyo. Today we'll be talking about Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship provided by Hungarian government to international students. I was quite lucky to get this scholarship in 2021 and currently I'm doing my PhD studies at Cornell University with the help of this scholarship. If you consider applying for this scholarship, this video will be quite useful for you because we'll talk about the key features of Stipendium Hungaricum, application process and deadline of the program. The first thing that you have to know it's the point that the scholarship is fully funded. It means that the scholarship covers your tuition fee, your insurance, accommodation, and you will get a monthly stipend. You will not need to pay for visa fee. Second thing is the programs. The scholarship offers a wide range of programs, including arts, science, and humanities. So you will find your program there for sure. The third point, it's about international reach. The scholarship is available for almost all the students from all over the world. The scholarship includes even very small countries and remote countries like mine. So I'm sure that you are eligible to apply for it, notwithstanding where you are from. The first feature is application process. You have to know that application process consists of 3 steps. The first step is you are applying for a scholarship through a specific platform. I will share with you the link below the video. You can check the platform, you can register. The second thing you have to know that your application package will be reviewed and processed first of all by your Minister of Education, and then it will be sent to the university. So the third step of the application process is university itself. Also, I will share with you the link below and you can see that who is responsible in your country for the program in the Ministry of Education. When your application reaches university, the university will review it and you will be invited for the interview. Interview is usually taken in the end of April, beginning of May. Okay, talking about the deadline of the program, this is another feature of the scholarship. The application process starts in November every year and the deadline is the 15th of January. So you have to be ready, you have to prepare your application package during this period of time. It's very important for you to know that after the application deadline, they will not accept your documents. Okay, talking about the documents, what should application package include? The first thing that you have to upload in the platform is your CV, your motivation letter, your identification card, usually it's your foreign passport, and if you are applying for master or PhD programs, you have also to upload research proposal. You have to upload transcript of records. This is usually your marks at school, university. If you are applying for master, it will be your bachelor. If you're applying for bachelor, it will be from your high school. Additionally, you have to submit your IELTS certificate. If you studied in a foreign language other than English, then you have to prove your knowledge of English. The good thing about Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship is that you can apply starting from the 1st of November and until 15th of January, but you have time until the 1st of August to upload your IELTS certificate. It means that you will have almost 1 year to prepare for the exam and to pass the exam and send the university your IELTS certificate. After you go through the interview process, you will get the letter of acceptance in the beginning of June and you can start applying for visa. The scholarship is quite competitive, but I'm sure if you prepare the selling application package, you will get the scholarship for sure. In my next videos, I will talk about how to pass the interview for this scholarship, how to prepare the motivation letter, and in general application package for the program. So stay tuned. I hope that this video was useful for you. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.